Well, a lot of people was asking about the resort, so we're going to get some videos of the rooms and a little bit about each room and the size of it. Alright, we're going into room 1 now. This is our smaller room. We have a kitchen, table, you have your own bathroom, shower, and then there's a queen size bed in room 1. We also offer air conditioning and cable TV in this room. Going into room 2, we have a sleeper sofa, your kitchen again, cable TV, your own bath and shower, air conditioning. This room offers a full-size bed and then the closet. So does number 1. Coming in at number 3, this is one of our larger units. We have a sleeper out in the main room. Also a kitchen again. The kitchen's in all 9 units. Bath, bedroom 1, then you have bedroom 2. Both has full-size beds in it. Currently we do not have air conditioning in this room. We are looking at expanding and putting air conditioning in, but we do have cable TV in the room. Here's number 4. This is the biggest room that we have over on this side of the resort. This is also a 2-bedroom. There's 2 sleepers out here, cable TV, air conditioning, kitchen, bedroom 1, and bedroom 2, full-size beds in each of them, and again your own shower and bath. And this is one of our largest units, like I said before. Now we're going into 5. 5 is the same as 6, 7, and 8, so I'm not going to show you all of them, but generally they're laid out exactly the same. You have a sleeper out in the main room, kitchen table, your kitchen, you have your silverware, you have your dishes, cable TV, your bath. In this room we do have a twin and a full. We have 5 and 6 have twin and fulls. 7 and 8 both have twins. And you do have a closet in this room. Now you're in number 9. Number 9 is also a 2-bedroom unit. We have a sleeper sofa, cable TV, another sleeper. You have a back door that goes out so you can park your boat and car right behind it. Here's bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Each of them have their own closets. And again, here's your bath. So this is just a general about Wolf River Outfitters Resort. These are the 9 units on one side of the property. So hopefully this gives you a better idea what you'll be staying, what it looks like when you stay with us. Everybody asked about our boats. Here's a look at the boats. We have a flat bottom 16-footer. Our B bottoms are 14-footers. We have 6-horse motors on each of the boats. We have 15 of them. We also offer 3 pontoon boats, an 18, a 20, and a 25. The price varies, so please call for pricing. And here's just a general look of the boats and outside of the resort.